Happy Friday, everyone. Bluenoze87 here doing the multi-break of 2 boxes of 2015 Anthology. Fastest multi that sold out for me because it's odd I had and they're cheap prices, so it sold fast. I did, however, forget to give away the 5+ teams in the bin that I just broke, so I am going to do that now because I think most of you are in both anyway. So we had the Leaf68, new buyer to my breaks. You're going to get one team in that box of 2013-14 Dominion. The Leafs are gone, unfortunately. Oops. And this is a fairly new box that I'm doing. So the Leafs, Jets, Senators, and Avs are gone. So you are going to get, I guess you can take that one, the Edmonton Oilers. So Leaf68 with new guy at Mojo getting one of the top teams. Alright, next up we have Renault is going to get one team. And it is the Arizona Coyotes. So that is for Renault. And Chuck is going to get 2 teams. You're going to get the Boston Bruins. And Chuck's hoping for a green chip. Oh, it's a blue chip. The New Jersey Devils. And those are both available. I better type that in before I forget. Alright. So that is from the 2015-16 trilogy that I just broke, the 5+ bonus. Now let's get back to our anthology break. Here's our list of team owners in this one. We've got Daniel, Renault, Sean, Leafs for life, Thomas, Taz, Leaf68. I'm going to have to get your guys' first name so I can stop saying Leafs. Charlie, Chuck, lots of different faces in this one. Putter's in there, Mike's in there. Alright. And Matt is here. His computer's acting up. He's going to help me as best he can. There's box number 1. There's no serial numbers on these guys, but they are factory sealed, of course. My son is here watching quietly so far. Got through the bin break without talking. We'll see how long that lasts. Anybody? Alright. Gently slide this in. Foamy. And the foam's staying in there. And the first card. I think this is Chicago. It's Danny Cristo, sizable signatures. I always get them mixed up. Detroit or Chicago. Matt'll know this one off real quick. There's Leaf68, just in time for the multi. Matt, Danny Cristo, I think it's Chicago. And Taz. I'll wait for confirmation. That's 125 out of 299. Oh, there's a nice one. I did, however, already break the 15-16 anthology, trilogy. So you'll have to watch that video when I send it out. But this is the first card of the multi of 2015 anthology. And Matt doesn't seem to be around. I'll have to double check Danny Cristo. This one is, I think, for the Boston Bruins. It's a Bruins patch for sure. It's Milan Lucic. That could be LA, or I don't imagine it was Edmonton. But it could be either Boston and Sean or LA and Chuck. Oh, Matt left. That's not a good sign. I'm on my own. So I will have to double check all these. You can look them up yourself if you'd like on Break Ninja. That is number 2 of 99, but a nice card. Oh, here's a nice one. For the Detroit Red Wings and Sean. Sizable signatures, Nicholas Lidstrom. Oh, I turn them down. There we go. Nicholas Lidstrom, and that is 184 out of 299. For Detroit and Sean. Next one is for Detroit as well. It's a Massive Materials of Peter Mrazek.
This one has something.
That's okay. You need to go upstairs now if you're going to mess around. Sorry. He was being so good. Peter Mrazek for Detroit and Sean. Next up for the Toronto Maple Leafs. And Mike, you'll enjoy this one. Massive Materials, Matt Sundin. Matt Sundin. That is 223 out of 299. Or sorry, yeah, that is 223. Looked like 023 on the screen when I held it up. This one is for the Philadelphia Flyers, I would assume. I will double check, but it is Claude Giroux and Braden Shen. Paired pieces. Philadelphia is Renault. I'm gonna have to look this one up before the end of the break, just in case it's a double or a random. Oh, another one. No, this is the Chicago guy. Mark McNeil. Anthology autograph. Mark McNeil. Chicago, yeah. So that's going to go to Chicago and Taz. So the Cristo, let me if I read the back. Of course, it doesn't have any team on it. I'll look that one up too. All right, that is box number 1. Box number 2, there's no cereals, so that's why nothing to show. There's Daniel. Welcome, buddy. Just on box number 2 of the Anthology. All right, good luck. First box was pretty good. Oh, I don't see any. Oh, a couple spacers, but not many. That's a good sign. First card is for. I think it's Anaheim. There's 2 of them. Yeah, I think this is Anaheim. Hampus Lindholm. Anaheim and Daniel, I believe, but I will confirm all these. Massive Materials, Hampus Lindholm. There's a couple Lindholms now. I can't remember. I got them mixed up. 149 out of 199. Next up for the Tampa Bay Lightning and Mike. Paired pieces. Vladislav Nemesnikov and Jonathan Drouin. Next 50-goal scorer for the Montreal Canadiens. Haha, funny. 165 out of 199. And this one's definitely for the Boston Bruins and Sean. Massive Materials, Cam Neely. A little yellow swatch. 81 out of 299. And this is the one that jumps from team to team, I think, in this product. It's Massive Materials, Marion Gaborik. I believe it is the Rangers and Leafs for Life, but I think it was also, could be LA Chuck, but I think it's the Rangers. Ooh, something big and fun coming up. Is 27 out of 140. We'll confirm that one. Now we've got a full coverage for the Toronto Maple Leafs. It's actually nicer than it's probably going to look on camera, but it's Morgan O'Reilly. So that's going to go to Mike. If I can get it to focus. There we go, Morgan O'Reilly. Big piece of the maple leaf. They put it in square so it doesn't look as cool. That is number 16 out of 49. I don't think Cam Neely. I think all Cam Neely stuff was Boston in this. There's another one. This one I think is the Arizona Coyotes. It's Keith Yandel. Anthology autograph. This is way more difficult when Matt's not here. Pretty sure that is Arizona and Renault, but I will confirm, of course. I won't be looking them up all on video, but 172 out of 299, you can guarantee they will be in the right package. Oh, very cool. I don't know if this is assigned to a team, but this one I'm going to have to check. It is a home and native land, Don Cherry. I haven't seen this one. Very cool. That one I have to look up, because it's either going to be a random or it will be going to Boston. Phil says it's Boston, and he doesn't have Boston, so that's probably true.
Pardon?
I'm almost done.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just going to look at these two cards. 2015 Anthology. Let's go to Boston first. Boston. Don Cherry. So that is a Boston card. So the Cherry is going to go to Sean. Very nice, Sean. I'm just going to look up this Philly card. So Braden Shen is the one I was questioning, and he is, yes. So this will be all Philadelphia. So that's going to go to Renault. While I'm at it, let's look up these other ones that I was unsure of. Keith Yandel, I thought was Arizona. Doesn't take long to look them up on old Break Ninja. Keith Yandel, Anthology autograph, so that is Arizona. That was Toronto. Gaborik. That was another questionable one. Marion Gaborik is not the Rangers. It is not that one. Must be LA. Marion Gaborik is LA. So that is going to go to Chuck. Cam Neely, I'll look up. Someone, Phil was questioning that one. Cam Neely, Massive Materials. Huh. It looks like it must be Vancouver. It is. So that is Vancouver. Oh, look at that. Phil just put it on there as I'm talking. So that's going to go to Leaf 68, not Boston. I need to remember those. That was Tampa for sure. Hampus Lindholm. Anaheim, where are you? Pretty sure that was Anaheim. Yeah, so Hampus Lindholm is Anaheim. Mark McNeil is the Chicago guy, I'm pretty sure. Yes, Mark McNeil's Chicago. Danny Cristo. There's one I don't even know where to look. I want to say Detroit. This one might be another. Danny Cristo. Needs to be a search function on that. Drafted by Montreal. Oh boy. Pretty sure he's not Montreal. Hartford Wolfpack, Chicago Wolves. Oh boy. Sorry guys for keeping you, but New York Rangers. Let's see if he's a Ranger. He is. Danny Cristo is going to go to the Rangers. And Leafs for life. Matt Sundin, easy. Mrazek, easy. Lidstrom, easy. Lucic. Milan Lucic. Massive Materials Prime is Boston. So Lucic is Boston. And Sean. Alright, that's it. Sorry for dragging that on. Thanks everybody for your purchases and quick payments. And if I don't see you before Thursday, I will see you on Thursday for my regular auction. Have a great night.